Imagine spending years building your savings, only to watch them disappear because of a single medical emergency. It happens more often than most people realize. Every day, people make one simple mistake: they choose a health insurance plan without fully understanding what they're buying. They look at the monthly premium, compare a few prices, and assume they're protected. But when they actually need medical care, they discover hidden limits, expensive deductibles, excluded treatments, or hospitals that aren't even covered under their plan. By then, it's too late. The truth is, choosing the wrong health insurance plan can cost you far more than having no plan at all. That's why today we're breaking down everything you need to know before choosing a health insurance plan. Whether you're buying insurance for the first time, changing providers, or simply reviewing your current coverage, this guide will help you avoid costly mistakes and make smarter decisions. Let's start with the first thing most people get completely wrong. 1. Don't choose a plan based only on the monthly premium. When shopping for health insurance, the first number most people notice is the monthly premium. A lower premium feels like a better deal. After all, paying less every month sounds like saving money. But that's only part of the story. Many low-premium plans come with higher deductibles, larger copayments, or higher out-of-pocket limits. That means you may save money while you're healthy, but if you suddenly need surgery, emergency treatment, or ongoing medical care, you could end up paying much more than you expected. Instead of asking, "What's the cheapest plan?" ask yourself, "What will this plan actually cost me if I get sick?" Sometimes paying a slightly higher monthly premium can save thousands later. Health insurance should be judged by its overall value, not just its monthly price. 2. Understand what's actually covered. One of the biggest misconceptions about health insurance is believing it covers every medical expense. It doesn't. Every policy has limits. Some plans cover specialist visits only after a referral. Others limit certain medications. Some exclude maternity care, mental health services, rehabilitation, or advanced treatments. Certain procedures may require pre-approval before your insurer agrees to pay. This is why reading the list of covered services is just as important as comparing prices. A policy that looks affordable today may leave you paying large bills tomorrow if the treatments you need aren't included. Before choosing any plan, take time to understand exactly what is, and isn't, covered. That single step can prevent major financial surprises. 3. Check the doctors and hospitals included. Here's another mistake that catches many people off guard. They buy insurance without checking where they can actually use it. Many insurance companies work with specific hospitals, clinics, and doctors. If your preferred doctor isn't part of the network, you may have to switch providers, or pay much higher costs yourself. Imagine needing surgery only to discover the hospital you've trusted for years isn't covered by your insurance. That's a stressful situation nobody wants to face. Before enrolling, check the provider network carefully. If you already have a family doctor or specialist you trust, make sure they're included in the plan. Healthcare isn't only about saving money. It's also about having access to the people you trust when you need care the most. Those are just the first 3 things to consider. But we're only getting started. 4. Pay attention to deductibles, copayments, and out-of-pocket limits. Health insurance has its own language, and it can be confusing if you've never looked at it before. You'll often see terms like deductible, copayment, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximum. These numbers determine how much you'll personally pay before your insurance covers most of the costs. For example, a plan with a very low monthly premium might require you to pay a large deductible before your coverage really begins. That means if you suddenly need surgery or emergency treatment, you'll be responsible for a significant amount before your insurer contributes. Always ask yourself one question: if I had a serious medical emergency tomorrow, could I comfortably afford these costs? If the answer is no, the plan may not provide the financial protection you're looking for. 5. Don't ignore waiting periods and exclusions. Another detail that surprises many people is the waiting period. Some insurance plans don't provide immediate coverage for certain illnesses or treatments. You may need to wait several months before specific benefits become available. There are also exclusions. These are treatments, conditions, or situations that the insurance company simply doesn't cover. Depending on the policy, exclusions may include cosmetic procedures, experimental treatments, certain pre-existing conditions, alternative therapies, or elective surgeries. Many people discover these exclusions only after filing a claim. That's why it's essential to read the policy carefully before signing. A few extra minutes today can save weeks of frustration later. 6. Make sure emergency coverage is strong. Medical emergencies never happen at a convenient time. A serious accident, a sudden illness, an unexpected surgery. These situations can happen without warning. Before choosing any health insurance plan, understand exactly how emergency care is handled. Can you visit any hospital? Does emergency treatment require prior approval? What happens if you're traveling away from home? Knowing these answers in advance gives you confidence that you're protected when life becomes unpredictable. Good insurance isn't just about routine checkups. It's about protecting you during the moments that matter most. 7. Think about your future, not just today. One of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing a plan based only on their current health. Maybe you're young. Maybe you rarely visit a doctor. Maybe you haven't needed medication in years. That's wonderful, but health can change quickly. Your insurance should protect not only the healthy version of you but also the future version of you. Think about where you'll be 5 or 10 years from now. Will your needs be different? Could you start a family? Will you need more specialist care as you get older? Choosing a plan with flexibility today can prevent difficult decisions tomorrow. 8. Compare more than just the price. Before making your final decision, compare every important detail, not just the monthly premium. Look at what treatments are covered, which hospitals and doctors are included, prescription drug coverage, emergency services, annual claim limits, customer support and claim process, waiting periods and exclusions, total out-of-pocket costs. A slightly more expensive plan may actually provide far greater financial protection when you need it most. Remember, health insurance isn't something you buy hoping to use every day. It's something you buy hoping it will protect you when life takes an unexpected turn. Conclusion: health insurance is one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make. The right plan can protect your savings, reduce financial stress, and give you access to quality medical care when you need it most. The wrong plan can leave you paying unexpected bills at exactly the moment you're already dealing with a health crisis. That's why taking the time to compare plans, understand the fine print, and ask the right questions isn't just a smart financial move, it's an investment in your future. Don't rush the decision. Read carefully. Compare wisely. And remember that the goal isn't simply to find the cheapest insurance. The goal is to find the coverage that gives you confidence, security, and peace of mind for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides on personal finance, healthcare, insurance, and smart money decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.